And of course, a mosquito decides to love me so much. I'm gonna just kiss me right there.
Perfect. Perfect.
Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, and of course, a mosquito decides to love me so much. I'm gonna just kiss me right there. Today, I am about to run on the road with my mom and my brother to run some errands. I have like some packages to pick up and a couple things to drop off. Guys, by the time you guys see this, I would have already opened my Instagram store. Pause. Okay, guys, due to technical difficulties, I would not have opened the store yet, but it will be opened sometime next year. What I will do is link the official page. Once it is up, I'm gonna link it under this video if you do watch this vlog after, or if you're following my Instagram, NaturallyMsToya, you would be able to see when my store has been opened. All right, so yeah, let's get back. So you guys would be seeing the stuff, you know, you'd be able to see the stuff on the page. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to link the page, the official page down below, and I want you guys to support me on this new venture. It's gonna be my second baby. Yeah, so I'm gonna have the items down below. I'm doing like, you know, unique jewelry pieces, statement necklaces, and eventually I am going to get into clothing. But yeah, for now I'm starting out with some nice little jewelry pieces that you guys would definitely enjoy. So yeah, some of this away for mom if I done beard. How about this a fly? How about going? Yeah, I'm just waiting for her to finish bathing so that I can, you know, go, because I want to go and come back and film for you guys. So I'm having these spring twists for they're like a little bit over a week old now, and I love how effortless this is. I literally have it up all the time, so I decided to wear it down today, and I'm trying to figure out if I should start offering it as a service, because I love how this looks, guys. Like the mini version, you guys, they're not normally this small, but I really like it this size. Of course, it would take a long time, so me and my assistant will be working at the same time, but I love it. I love it. If I do it again, I'll be doing it like a lot longer, but I love it for sure, for sure. And guys, me and Marla played last night, and Marla bust my lip right this one, because she plays so rough. She play rough bad, but me hear mommy door, mommy done. Oh shoot, something's supposed to take out something and drop it off, guys. I'll check in with you guys a little bit. I mean, I alone love like these little unique jewelry pieces. Hear them with the knives. I say, you know, the two of them are coming up. I swear they're literally the same thing. Yeah, guys, so now we get to see, you know, look a bit at what we did today, where we're going. I think this is definitely going to be a one-day vlog. I have a client in the afternoon when I come back off the road, so the plan is go get the stuff, run the look at errands, come back and film, and then work at 2 o'clock. So I have some individual crochet blocks to put in at 2. But yeah, today should be an eventful day. Oh, my nails, guys. Oh my gosh, I did these myself 2 nights ago. A lot of you guys don't even know. If you know me, you'd know I started out doing nails from before I started doing ear and makeup. Nails was my first love. So I guess we call it practice. If you look at it up close, you'll see the hurry, because I was so tired. I finished at like 2 in the morning. So just, you know, some trying to get you to focus on it. Hold on. Just some, you know, like nude acrylic with some glitter on the ends. My shape job could use a lot more work still, but you know, it's cute enough. Like if you look at it quickly, it look great, and I'm good with that. Like I'm really good with that. So yeah, but I mean, I have thought about going back into it, you know, offering it as a service and whatnot, but we're gonna see about that one day. So as I say, we're gonna go on the road, all the things there. I have some stuff to go pack up to carry with me for drop off, so I gotta do that now. But for my online store, guys, I'm gonna be talking to you guys about that more as time goes by. But always, you guys already know, everything you need to know will be in the description bar down below. So I soon come. Oh my god, guys, believe when I tell you, say that bump here just like get on top of my nerves. Anyways, so we'll come back off for the road now. I'm gonna get some to eat. Get on a little box here. I'm gonna get a little chicken and chips. I'm gonna go eat this now. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. Here go on the road sometime. Please believe me. I will come up on the road, and you know when you go to go do things you never intend for go do, like that's what happened. I literally just went to collect my package. I end up got the ear store go buy here. I end up go buy food. Never did plan for buying no food at all. I end up go supermarket, but I got my stuff. I did not take it out the package yet. You guys can probably get a gist of what's going on in the package. I'm going to go back through the order that I actually placed and see, you know, just check off to make sure that everything looks the way it's supposed to in terms of the amount of stuff. So I'm gonna do that when I'm done eating. But you guys know fries don't nice when it's cold, so I'm gonna just eat this and drink a bucket of water when I finish. By that time my client should be here.
Izzy's body temperature rose to 160 degrees in half an hour. It would have dropped equally as fast. Thermodynamics. The proof has burned up with him inside the car.
Only now there's no way of knowing what was actually on Pepper's audio tapes.
Although there is a way of...
Hey guys, good morning. It's still morning, like probably about 10, you know. Our midday gone. I'm look so cloudy. Camera probably won't wipe off. Hold on. That's a little bit better. Yeah, so I did not close out the vlog yesterday. Like I said I was going to. Ugh, Kamashi. Ugh, Nova lotion. I didn't close out the vlog yesterday like I said I would. Which I think I didn't close it out because I was supposed to go swimming today. And I wanted to show you guys a bit of that. Somebody asked me in the comments the other day where we go swimming at. And I was going to answer it in my Q&A, but I just decided to answer it now, which I don't know which one I will go first, but I'll answer it in my Q&A too, because she dropped it under the Q&A video. We go swimming at the Goldfish Club in Old Harbor, because we live that side. so it's pretty cool there, and the instructors are nice. So yeah, that's where we go swimming. You can probably look into it if you're trying to get, you know, swim lessons and stuff. But yeah, so today was supposed to be me going swimming, and I don't know, I woke up in like the shittiest mood today, and then today is playing out to be a fairly shitty day. But you know, the show must go on. I have work at 4. I'm here trying to edit this video, which has been giving me friggin' hell for the longest time. It's a vlog that I did around October. Yeah, like the late part of October. I've gone to this party. I'm trying to edit the vlog. My computer keeps freezing because I know it's old. But I know I'm trying to figure out at this point what the hell I'm going to do, because if I don't fix this laptop, then I will not be able to edit any other videos or nothing. So I'm considering to myself, you know, what to do about it. I really don't want to carry it to the place that I brought it to the last time, because to be honest, I just don't want to spend the money for go fix it. I mean, I've told you guys so many times, my laptop is going to be 10 years old soon. She had gone well. The screen, everything is still pretty nice, because, you know, lots of the parts on there are, you know, refurbished a bit. But yeah, you guys can tell I'm not in the best mood at this point in time. I just really wanted to close out the vlog, and I really hate ending it on this kind of mood, guys, but you know, I don't know overshake it. I'm off to end the vlog, so I'm sorry. But I'm just gonna spend the time here editing, trying to put some things into perspective, doing a bit of planning, all that stuff. Come to think of it, I actually like how this look, like filming here on my phone. I think I just might be able to film a tutorial on my phone sitting right here. I like this. But yeah, so as I said, for the rest of the afternoon, I'm just going to be, until it's time to work, I'm going to be doing some planning, writing some stuff down, because I have a lot that I need to sort out. And then I need to get these videos up and out. Tomorrow's Thursday, I have a full day of work. And to be honest, I really don't see the point in keeping the blog open. So I'm very sleepy, very tired. I think it's more mental weariness than physical, because I got good rest last night. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can finish editing this vlog, which is going to be late, by the way. I'm gonna know why am I just like it's a fight right now. The vlog got up, the vlog got ads. I think it has something to do with the fan and just a lot of stuff, memory, because you know it all. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I love these springs so much. Yeah, but until next time, stay naturally beautiful.